In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WebEx support. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type WebEx and hit Enter. This action will bring you to a list of results related to WebEx. It's important to ensure that you're searching for the official site to avoid any potential phishing attempts. You'll see various links pop up. Look for the one that clearly states it is the official WebEx website. This is crucial because using the official site ensures you have access to the most accurate and secure information. Once that is done, click on the correct link to enter the WebEx site. You will know you are on the right page if the URL begins with webex.com. This step matters because it directs you to the platform you need for support. You should see a clean layout with options related to different WebEx services. A well-organized site will help you find what you need quickly, saving you time and effort. Now, if you are prompted to log in, go ahead and enter your credentials. This could mean entering your email and password associated with your WebEx account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one. Logging in is essential because it personalizes your experience and gives you access to your support options. Once logged in, you will feel a sense of security knowing that you are in your own account. Next up, look for the help icon on the WebEx homepage. It often resembles a question mark or a life buoy. Click on this help icon. From there, select the option that says View More in Help Center. This action is significant because it opens up a wealth of information designed to assist you in using WebEx efficiently. You should see a list of articles and resources available for your perusal, making it easier to resolve common issues you might encounter. After that, you will find articles on how to use WebEx located within the Help Center. These articles cover a range of topics, from setting up meetings to troubleshooting audio issues. Reading these articles is beneficial as they provide step-by-step guidance and tips from experts. You will feel empowered as you learn to navigate and use the different functionalities of WebEx. At this point, if you need further assistance, you can click Contact Us. This option is available usually at the bottom of the Help Center page. It's reassuring to know that there is additional support if the articles do not answer your questions. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can see various methods to reach out for help. You can choose from the following assistance options. This is where the process becomes personalized. You will see options like live chat, phone support, or even community forums. Each choice allows you to engage with support in a way that best suits your needs. This flexibility ensures that you can get help in the manner that feels most comfortable for you. Let's talk about chatting with an expert. If you choose this option, you will be connected to a support representative in real time. This is incredibly useful for immediate concerns or complex questions. You will see a chat window pop up, allowing you to type out your questions directly. Having access to live support can make all the difference in resolving issues quickly. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can also opt to speak to an expert. This typically involves calling a support number provided on the contact page. Speaking to someone directly can clarify complicated issues and help provide solutions tailored to your specific situation. It's important to have this option for those who benefit from verbal communication. Finally, you have the option to open a case. This is useful if your issue requires detailed attention over time. When you open a case, you will typically fill out a form detailing your problem. This ensures that your issue is logged and tracked for resolution. Being able to open a case provides peace of mind, knowing that your concerns will be addressed thoroughly. Lastly, consider participating in the community forums. Engaging with other WebEx users can provide insights and tips that you might not find in formal articles. The community often shares valuable experiences that can help you learn more about using the platform effectively. This collaborative space can enhance your understanding and make you feel more connected to other users. With these steps, you are now equipped to use WebEx support effectively. Thank you for following along.